Okay. Hi, guys. Okay, what's up? This is Mr. Kunfa. Okay, I am going to teach you now physics for grade 10, which is tensions. What are tensions? In physics language or in physics discipline, tensions are there are forces. They can be the forces on the spring or in a string, in a string. So today let's consider a traffic light. This is an example, Consider this example. Consider this example, a traffic light weighing 250 Newton. Its weight is given as what? 250 Newton, and it is suspended from a cable as shown in the figure below. Find the tension T. Tension T. We are going to find tension, Tension is a force, in physics. It represents force. The force on a spring, the force when a spring is stretched or compressed with the force it is applying is tension. So let's consider this figure. Consider this figure. This is a traffic light just weighing 250 Newton. So we have what here? Theta 1, the angle theta 1 is equal to angle theta 2. Theta is given as 30 degree. Our angle is 30 degree. So since the system is in equilibrium, the sum of all forces stretched or compressed or acting on the body or on the traffic light must be 0. So let's take the free body diagram, free body diagram. So consider this. This is the horizontal one, which is Tx, and then this is the horizontal to the right side, Tx2. We have angles theta 1, theta 2. So this diagram is converted to this one, We take out the free body diagram. In physics, if you could take out the free body diagram, things are going to be simple, for you students. Okay, since, as I told you before, since the system is in equilibrium, the sum of all forces acting on the body must be 0. Let's consider the horizontal forces. Horizontal force. The sum of this indicates sum of the sum of all forces acting on the body. The horizontal side is given out like this. So this is T cos theta minus T cos theta 1. What I mean is T cos theta, the angle made in the this side, which means this is equal to the angle created by this. So look, this means if you change this place, it will be like this. T cos theta 2 is equal to T cos theta 1. Let's have this one. And then we can consider that theta 1, theta 2 is given as 30 degree, and then sine 30 from the table or calculator is given as 0.5, cos 30 is 0.66. Now let's proceed to vertical forces. Vertical forces. The vertical forces here are considered this one. The vertical force we have here, Ty, and then here, Ty. The vertical force, this is the weight, This is also just downward. As we know, always weight tends always downward to the center of the earth. So this one is to the upward direction and this is the upward direction. So the sum of F to the Y has to be 0. So T sine theta 1 plus T sine theta 2 minus W or weight is 0. Why we make this one negative? Because it is in opposite direction. The weight is downward and those tensions are what? The upward direction. So just sinus theta 1 is equal to theta 2. We can have 2T sine theta is equal to weight. Our weight is already given, which is 250 Newton. So 2T sine theta sine 30 degree is 250 Newton. 250 Newton. This is 250 Newton. So sine 30 is given as 0.5, So 2T 0.5 is equal to 250 Newton. So if you multiply 2 by 0.5, it is 1. So T is equal to 250 Newton. So our tension is this one. Therefore, the final result is our tension is, we got this, this is our tension, sinus, our theta 1 is equal to theta 2. So was the tension or the value of this T and the value of this T must be the same because the angles are given as the same. So thank you for listening.